Egg sandwich by French Sheep Menu. Ingredients: mayonnaise, 5 pieces of eggs, black pepper, iodized salt, and loaf bread. First, add 5 pieces of eggs into a pot. Add enough water to fill the pot and is 1 inch above the eggs. Let it boil for 15 minutes. Set aside the eggs. And add tap water to let it cool. Now, let's peel the eggs and do this for the rest. Put the eggs into a bowl and smash it using a fork. Add 220 ml of mayonnaise and mix it. Season it with a pinch of salt and black pepper too. Then mix it again. Spread evenly the mixture into the loaf bread. Then cover it with the loaf bread. And do this for the rest. Here's your egg sandwich by French Sheep Menu. Thank you for watching!